This video will demonstrate a POSTA repair utilizing 3/0 knotless suturetak anchors. Here we see a left shoulder and our POSTA lesion has been prepared and our bone bed prepared, and utilizing a Percutaneous Insertion Kit, I'll pass a spinal needle through the rotator cuff exactly where I want my suture to go. Through the middle of the spinal needle, I'll pass a nitinol, followed by the dilator, and then the inserter goes over top of that. We'll go ahead and punch the bone rather than drilling the bone in order to compress the bone rather than remove the bone. This will allow our anchor to be better fixated within the bone. We'll pass a second suture anchor anteriorly, and then we'll back out into the subacromial space, and we'll take the fiber wire suture from my anterior anchor and we'll pass it through the looped end of the fiber link into the locking mechanism of the posterior anchor. I won't secure it completely yet, and I'll go ahead and take the fiber wire from the posterior anchor and the looped end of the anterior fiber link, and I'll pass the posterior fiber wire through the anterior locking mechanism. Then we'll go ahead and view from the interarticular space once again. We'll pull both limbs out laterally, and then we'll cycle these anterior, posterior, and you can see this compresses our tissue down against our bone bed very nicely. I'll take the two limbs and I'll bring them out laterally for additional fixation, and we get a good double row repair of our POSTA lesion.